Court has ruled that a lesbian woman whose artificially fertilized eggs were planted in her partner should also be considered the twins' legal parent. Well, does this mean South African law is evolving to provide recognition and protection to different kinds of families, modern families? Well, medical, surrogacy and fertility law specialist Adele van der Walt represented the unnamed couple, and she joins us now. Adele, thank you so much for joining us. Just tell us, if you can, a few more details about this couple and why they had to go to court to challenge their right to be named as parents.
So, Annika, in this matter, it was a constitutional challenge with regards to Section 40 of the Children's Act. The Children's Act as the wording couple or parents, so it doesn't make provision for cohabitation relationships. The challenge here makes a difference so that the law is changed, and with this judgment, it's giving legal certainty for cohabitation parents to become lawful parents without adopting the children.
So, Adele, does this mean that both women are the official parents of the child?
That's right. Before this judgment, it was always the case that the common law regarded the mother that gave birth to the child as the lawful parent, and the other parent, the other female woman, parent had to adopt the child, irregardless of whether she provided her own genetic material. So with this judgment, it's changing it. So it's a constitutional challenge declaring that the wording in the Act should change, and that gives legal certainty that they then don't have to follow the process to adopt the child.
Adele, does the woman who carried the child have any rights, and is she still regarded as a parent?
Yes, we should distinguish here between surrogacy with male same-sex couples. Your question here at stake is with regards to the female same-sex couples. So then a cohabitation relationship. The mother is then the person who's carrying the child, but her partner is also then a lawful parent, so that both have equal rights and responsibilities, and that also gives legal certainty for the child.
What were the merits of your case in the Constitutional Court challenge?
So it's twofold. On the one hand, it's Section 40 of the Children's Act that's been challenged, that it's unfair discrimination. Different process had to be followed between female same-sex couples and male same-sex couples. Male same-sex couples obtained a court order with the surrogacy process, so they had a different process with legal certainty. The second portion of the challenge is with regard to the birth process, the birth registration process on a birth certificate. Currently, we need to fill out that it's a mother and a father on the birth certificate, and it's going to change with this constitutional challenge that it's parent 1 and parent 2, and that there's only then also been provision made for a sperm donor in relation to a female same-sex couple.
Is there a difference now between male and female couples?
So we know with male same-sex couples, it's a surrogate that they have to contract, enter into the surrogacy agreement and a surrogacy application. With a female same-sex couple, it's not a surrogacy matter because there's a uterus in the relationship. It's with regards to the parental rights and responsibilities. After this constitutional challenge, there will be a process that will then finalise the legislation so that there's legal certainty for the female same-sex couple that they also have equal rights to that of male same-sex couples.
I know this sounds very biological, and some people might find it crude, but it's biological. Does the uterus have more weight, if you like, legally than semen? Or should I say, does the egg hold more weight than the sperm?
In South Africa, so the common law dictates that the woman that's giving birth to the child is being regarded as the mother, irregardless of the origin of the material, whether it's her own eggs or a partner's eggs and that of known or unknown sperm. So it's a sperm donor. So with this challenge, it's to make the process more accessible, but also to give rights and responsibilities from the moment that the female same-sex couple enter into this agreement and start with the fertility process. So we see often that there are donors involved, sperm donation, egg donation. This is with regards to rights and responsibilities of becoming a parent. And where there's a sperm donor involved, there's always rights and responsibilities that the sperm donor will sign off beforehand. So there's no rights and responsibilities for the sperm donor. He signs it over to the recipient couple, being the female recipient couple.
Fascinating case, and I could chat to you about it for ages, but we've run out of time. Thank you so much. That was Adele van der Walt, medical surrogacy and fertility law expert.